Abhivinodini. I am studying in 8th standard in Mary Margaret Matriculation Higher Secondary School in Satanpuram. I like Kamarajar very much, so I am going to speak about Kamarajar. Dharmaveerar Kamarajar was born on 15th of July 1903 to Kumaraswamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal. Kamarajar's born name was Kamachi, family deity of K. Kamaraj. No one knows that he had a younger sister whose name was Nagammal. At a very young age, Kamarajar lost his dad and situation made him to discontinue his school studies. He worked in his uncle's cloth shop where he got inspired by freedom fighter location. He joined Indian National Congress at the age of 16 after being inspired by Rajaji's speech. Mr. K. Kamarajar had no families and his generation ended with him. Besides his personal life, he showed interest in the public life and sacrificed his life for the improvement of poor people and the country. After he involved in many protests. He involved in many protests and jailed for over 9 years, namely for various incidents, namely Chaudi Shop protest, White India movement, Vedaranya salt protest, Virudhunagar bomb blast, and so on. Upon his huge sacrifice and remarkable work at freedom fight, he is nominated as a member of parliament in 1952. His administration made him as chief minister of Tamil Nadu in 1954. And also he is one of the leader of influence of Congress party over the entire Tamil Nadu. Mr. K. Kamarajar served as a chief minister for a total period of 9 years, which treated as the golden period of Tamil Nadu even till now. Being loyal, he made others to be loyal. All his decisions will be proved he is a honest and bold leader. Being an uneducated leader, he opened nearly 30,000 schools in Tamil Nadu and improvised existing schools. His other works are quietly impressive. Some of them are Mettur Dam Project, Neyveli Lignite Corporation, free meal scheme schools, free uniform and book scheme, and so on. Such a great person died on October 2nd, 1975. Mr. K. Kamarajar served as a chief minister for a total period of 9 years. He dedicated his entire life serving the people. No nation will get this kind of leader. Even in India also. It will not happen again. Thank you.